JWT tokens are how modern API prove who's calling. In this video, I'll show you how Check Point CloudGuard WAF enforces JWT validation at the edge, blocking bad tokens before they ever reach your backend. We start in the Check Point Infinity portal on the WAF application security policy. Our protected asset is a web application reachable at jwt.cpwaf.net. Behind the WAF, the actual API is running on an internal server. The WAF acts as a reverse proxy in front of it. Now, on the API authentication enforcement. We set the mode to prevent, which means the WAF will actively block bad requests rather than just log them. The auth type is JWT. Existence verification and expiration verification are both set to according to practice. For signature validation, we upload the public key file. The matching private key stays with the application that issues the tokens. The WAF only ever needs the public key to verify signatures. With the policy enforced, we move to the demo. We run a single script that points at the WAF URL, jwt.cpwaf.net. The script walks through 4 scenarios: no token, expired token, bad signature, and a fully valid token, exercising each of the WAF's JWT checks in turn. The target endpoint is /API/data. Scenario 1, the existence check. We send a plain request to the API with no authorization header at all. The WAF should reject it before it ever reaches the backend. And it does. We got 403. The WAF blocked the request. The backend never saw it. Scenario 2, expiration validation. This token is properly signed, but it expired 10 minutes ago. The WAF applies a 5-minute clock-skew tolerance, so this token is well past the cutoff. Notice the payload: sub, email, role, issuer, audience, and the expired expiration claim. Again, we got 403. The expired token never makes it past the WAF. Scenario 3, signature verification. This is the most interesting case. The token isn't expired. The claims look perfectly normal, but it was signed with a different RSA private key. The signature won't match the public key the WAF holds. We got 403. A forged token, even with valid-looking claims, is blocked at the edge. Scenario 4, the happy path. A properly signed, non-expired JWT issued by the legitimate application. All 3 checks should pass. We got 200 OK. The WAF allowed the request through, and the API returned the expected JSON payload. Finally, we jump back to the Infinity portal and open the Events tab for this asset. The 3 blocked requests show up as high-severity events with action prevent and incident-type authentication enforcement. Full visibility, full audit trail, 0 changes to application code. That's CloudGuard WAF JWT authentication enforcement.